Today's vocabulary are these words: brittle, something that is easily broken; descriptive, describes or tells about something; outstretched, extended full length; creative means the ability to show something in a new way; a metaphor, a simile, rhyme, and meter are words very specific to poetry and often music as well. A metaphor is a type of figurative language where you're comparing two unlike things, not using the words like or as. Where a simile is also a type of figurative language, but you're comparing two unlike things and you're using like or as. A rhyme, well, you've been hearing about this since kindergarten, words that have two parts, onset and rhyme. Rhyme is the ending part, such as ka-at, ba-at. They rhyme because the rhyme part, not the onset, but the rhyme of the word is the same. Meter is the pattern of syllables in a line of poetry. Meter is also something in music, like it has to do with the timing. In poetry, it has to do with the syllables.